Alright guys, still about Big Time for Double South. So the last video we designed just the header for inside this place. So this particular video now, we want design this Air Jordan, then this 5 retro where they right here. So we'll go do and then we go put these sneakers where they here. And actually see this particular sneaker download. So now that type now see. So now that type now we'll go use now for this our video. So what I go do now, yeah? I go come down here just after this header. Just after this header, I come and adjust my microphone. Okay. So just after this header now, I'll create a section. I'll create section. So this section will get a grid container. Then inside this grid container now, I'll just say .grid 60. So grid 60, and inside the grid 60 now, I'll type we'll say display. We'll say display. So now this display will get somewhere out here, though. So you test me, Harvey. One of my now, one of my guy for you test me. Alright, so I'll create H1, then I'll say air, and I'll create B arrow. Then inside this B arrow, and I'll say Jordan. So I'll say H2, 5, and retro. Okay. Then after that, I'll call this image tag. Then I can say assets. I'll type assets / sneakers. Then this alt. I'll go my browser here, or refresh, and you still get. So you see, it actually did different from the sneakers, but you still get this 23 because I make sure say I'll go find something similar. So you see how this jaga right there now, you still get her. See how this thing so here now, maybe like all those small picking where the light in here, get that light thing for here too. You see, so it actually resembles Shana, just the color now change. So more just see how it style them now, make it fine like this. So what I'll do now, I'll go back to my codes here. Might just separate that header from the section, so without just write many hash, then duplicate and comment. So I know say from this place go up now the header codes, not the header CSS codes. Then from here come down now that now this other display side now there. So that I'll just come and target the section, then I'll say padding should be like 8 EM for the top, then 0 for the right, 12 EM for the bottom, and 0 for the left hand side. Then we'll come down. I'll say section.display. That means we'll target this display here now. Yeah. So section of display, might just give height of like 360 pixel. Then position should be relative, and font family should be Gotham. So this Gotham now, so I get them from this my fonts here. You see them? You see name now, Gotham. So I get them here. Now they use now. Okay. Then the color should be FFF. That's for the whites. And font style go be italic. So we'll go back. We'll see. Okay. You see Air Jordan 5 retro is small for this side. So we progress. So what I'll do, I'll target just the H1 now. Then I'll say text transform uppercase. Then font size should be like the thing will be bigger, so I could say 8.2 EM. Then font weight. We need font weight stuff. I'm not sure if font weight will work. Font weight will be like 800 and letter spacing like 6 pixel. And must see. Refresh. Okay. So we float right. All right. So the float arm so that you know they decide, because if you look this other designer or this one rather, you can say space day here. This other side space not this. So float arm come this side small. Okay. So what I want to do now, we will resize this shoe for here. Then we'll go shift or before we resize the shoe here, we'll put that quote that we did this place. See now for the design we'll get this quote here, then we'll get this other quote, then this other retro 5 now it come down. So what we could do here, first I'll target the H2. Then we'll float on to the right. So we'll see how it's gonna be like now. You know what? I inspect the elements here, then I just arrange them. Okay. And if I scroll this in because of that 100 view height, I'll give. So I'll just get them out, disable them first, so that's good. It's scrollable for now. So I'll go back to my codes here. Okay. If you scroll, then I'll target this guy here now, this 5 retro, then more style them. So I'll come down, I'll say maybe the font size be like 2 EM. Okay, just jump down. Then font family will be Montserrat. So I like this font name here, Montserrat. Thank God nobody that they call Monto, because it could be say Mont the Serrat. So serif. Abi, if you know your name a Mont, just comment for this particular video. I have a gift for you. Relative. I'm not sure in Nigeria put the answer that kind of name. Mont. If it be say the answer around. If you're in a month, I'm not verse. I don't know what you font, so not make us. So we'll give right like 1.5 EM. Okay. So we'll just shift them out now. That means we'll create more space here now to put that code. So I'll just copy this code here. Then I'll go back to my codes. Where the guy did? Here. I'll paste them here. Okay. So the next thing I could do, we need to put the quotes. That means this quote here or this one here. So what we use now, we use that CSS sudo before and after the add. So to do we'll target the H1. That means this H1 here now. So we'll target them. So we'll say H1 then before. So we'll call our content and we do this slash content, you see, so that this one will be visible. You get. Then we'll give a font size of 0.15 EM and we'll make the position absolute. Then top, go be .8 em. Then left go be 4.5 em. Just like say now just now these as the writers is like that. I better say I they do this for some time, so practice makes perfect. Even though it's never perfect, but the practice well. So I expect not to the practice too, so that when I type inside thing, bless now will be loaded inside. So if I refresh now, say we don't get this stuff here. So just to understand how the thing be, if I target it before here, you see the font size. If we change them to like 2, so I'm saying that the show. So I need to reduce them. Just one that they can't go far. I need to reduce them. Then this absolute now to give them position in such a way that we can move them the way we like to get. So if I increase this left, now you see and say between the move enter the air, but we won't make it go outside small. If it's to go outside now, it don't make brain. If you see this on B, you see and say it is somewhere along this line. So we just try to find that sweet spot. Maybe somewhere here, so 4.5. So actually we're on track. So I'll come here now. I'll go duplicate this code, then I'll change it to after. So if I change to after now, what I'll do, I'll go back. You know the show here. More targets I must say. So the after here, let's see. So make show now. Down on our top left. So this one I will say bottom and right. You see, so bottom right. So we need to push on somewhere here now. So the push on now, what we'll do, we'll go reduce this one to a very, very low number to like 0.7. That is 0.7 now. So don't come somewhere here, then we'll shift them up. So the shift them up now, we need to increase this one now. So they go up, up, up. Okay. So 4.8 too high, 3.8 too low. So we'll just go like 4. We'll say 4 first. It's too low. 0.2, 0.3. Okay, 4.3 is alright. So I'll just copy this code here. Then I'll go paste them somewhere here. Okay. We'll refresh and we'll get this. So the next thing for us to just reduce this one and then push and come here. So to do that, we go target the image. So I'll just come here now. .display img, then position should be absolute. Then bottom will be 2 em. So that I go push on the button come up. Then we'll reduce the height to make the shoe small, get too big. So we'll give it like 20 em. Okay. So refresh. Okay. This is not bad like this, shall. So I be like say the thing rests, sit down top of the table. But design. We need to follow what we do here. Or what they do here. So they will do. I inspect again. Because this inspect now they give us live feel now. So that we'll know just the guess from the codes there. So I'll come here now. We need to rotate this thing. So I'll say transform. Transform should be rotate not 45. Actually minus 45. Too small. Might increase it. Might decrease the number. Minus 45 to 20. Then we'll push them, come this side small. That is push and go the right small. So the push them now, I'll just come and say right minus 1 em. Okay. Push and small increase the size of the shoe. More increase the size of the shoe. So raise. Think it's okay like this. Okay, I'll copy this code first. So I'll go paste down for the image here. All right. So now I think it's looking sweet, man. This is how you sell a product. Like this, I feel buy this shoe, self. So you see, you resemble to say this shoe. Even our shoe, self, every fresh parts of this guy is for this place. Check out now. Look out. See the shoe, see our shoe. I want a fresh pass, I beg. One thing for good design, this color, you see how this color now for this shoe, it match this button here. Then this white, they match something like this. So if the designer try to make sure that the pictures where you use it, try to pick out some colors where the standard for that picture, use them as the theme for that your particular design. It will help you. But anyhow, maybe another tutorial I will show you something like that. So, and if you look at something like that, this guy used to do this whole design. Although blue standards more, yeah, but blue not to make me for this design. But the red and the white, very nice theme. So anyhow, since we will achieve this particular part of the design. So the next video we will talk about this other one. So more will end on here so that we'll rest more. So I still be a lawyer boy from Double South Big Tank and United Bina. Like the video. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. If you don't like the video before, still like me for no loss. I'll still be a lawyer boy Big Tank from Double South. Thank you and see you for the next video.